In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit your syllabus in the WIDS software. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and log in. And this is my first time logging in this morning, so it might take a little while. I apologize. Okay, now you are in your WIDS software. The one thing that you will want to do is, if you don't see your project here or where you created that syllabus, you can easily go ahead and just type that in here on the side. You can type it in by name or by course number if you know that, and then it will bring up the syllabus. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that. And we'll want to go to the My Syllabi tab. And because for this particular demo, you how to submit it, when you come into this area right here, if you have your syllabus that you created for the term that you're working in, you should see it right here, and then you'll see whether or not you've shared it, and then you'll see whether or not it was submitted, and also whether or not if it was approved. Now I have one right here, 14 Operations Management, that has not been submitted yet, and so I'm going to want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click on Edit. Now while this is Fall 2014, I do want to make sure, because I'm using this for a demonstration, I do want to emphasize that you want to make sure you have the right start dates for your syllabus. So always double check before you submit it. Right here, select that syllabus that you're going to be working on, and make sure that the start date and the end date are correct. If you don't have, because if you've copied your syllabus, the old dates will automatically stay there, and you will have to update that information. So I just wanted to let you know that that's a really important to double check that. Alright, so back to submitting. So we've checked that our dates are correct, so now what we want to do is come right over here to the Submit button, and we hit Submit, and it's asking us, are we sure? We're saying yes, and so now the WIDS software will work. And once again, if this is the first time you're working on it for the day, it always takes a little bit longer for everything to get loaded up and to start working. Okay, so now you can see that it's brought up my syllabus, and this is really like just one more time that you can scroll through here and double check to make sure that everything you want in there is in there. And if it is, then you need to hit the Submit button a second time. And it's going to, and then once that's done, you're going to see a little window pop up, and it says it's been successfully submitted, and it also gives you a public URL if you want to use that. So I'm going to go ahead and close, and now you can see that my Fall 2014 syllabus has been submitted. Until it's approved, you can still unsubmit it and make minor changes, but that is how to submit your syllabus.